Imagine sitting in a cozy corner of a coffee shop with a steaming hot latte and the soft hum of conversation. Now picture having an AI companion right there with you, a digital partner that can help you explore ideas, better understand research topics, and build your search queries. Sometimes, all you need is a spark. Your coffee shop AI companion can impersonate whoever you want them to be. You could be sitting across the table from a supportive friend, a learned professor, or an expert willing to challenge your thinking. Of course, generative AI isn't a supportive friend or learned professor. Of course, it can only impersonate one according to a statistical model. Therefore, as with real professors and supportive friends, you need to keep a critical eye on how accurate, helpful, and unbiased responses and suggestions are. Although we have started by describing generative AI in a rather warm and fuzzy light, it is important to remember it doesn't have the brain of Einstein or even a human brain of any kind. Rather, its computer brain automatically generates content in response to written prompts. It is trained to recognize patterns in data and use these patterns to generate new data. To illustrate this, imagine you're playing a party game and your teammate is trying to guess the word you're acting out. Based on your previous actions and the context of the game, they make an educated guess about what you might be trying to convey next. Generative AI predicting the next word in a sentence works in a similar way. It looks at the words that have come before and uses patterns it has learned from vast amounts of text data to predict what the word is likely to be, just as your teammate in a party game uses their knowledge to guess correctly. Generative AI uses statistical probabilities to determine which word comes next. For example, if the generative AI tool is given the words peanut butter, it will predict that the next word is likely to be sandwich, because that's a common combination it has seen many times during its training. It's all about recognizing patterns and making predictions based on the context provided. By the way, this party game analogy was inspired by our AI coffee shop buddy, Microsoft Copilot. Generative AI has the potential to support your building of knowledge and understanding, as well as generate and refine content. This has the potential to give you more time, which could be used to focus on key tasks such as analysis, synthesis, and critical thinking. As these tools continue to evolve, we predict they will become even more integrated into the academic workflow. They could provide valuable assistance at every step of the research process. Generative AI has the potential to be a catalyst for academic exploration, igniting the spark of creativity and discovery in every student and researcher. We would now encourage you to experiment and explore these innovative and powerful tools for yourself. Happy prompting!